Now, we'd like to give you a quick guide about how to communicate with the RS-232 port of the display set. First, we can check the user's development guide on page 14 and 15. The command 80 and 81 means to write or read the registered address, and command 82 and 83 means to write or read the variable memory address. The register address defined is in the chapter 3, beginning from page 22. As example, register address 00 means the version number of your firmware. It is read only, and byte length is 1. 01 means LED brightness control. It can be read and write. Byte length is 1, and so on. You can check all the register address definition and description here, from 00 to FF. Now we're going to show you how to use the command directly control the display. We will use command 03 and 04 to read or write the specific picture ID's address. 03 is read current interface ID, and 04 means write. It means switch the specific interface. First, we will confirm the screen parameters configuration in two software. The baud rate is 115200. Frame height is A5 and 5A. So while we open the UART testing software, SSCOM32, check the COM number and baud rate setting. Then we can edit a command to read the current page. A5 5A, that is the frame height, and length 03. That means there are 3 bytes after 03 in this command. Command 81, read the register. Address 03. The readable register's address, which have the current page ID. Data length 02 means we shall read 2 bytes in this register. Click Send, and it will return a command. Frame height A5 5A. Data length 05. 81 read register. 03 register's address. Readable value length 02. The value is 0026. That means the current number ID is 26 hexadecimal, which means number 38 decimal. If we want to go to specific page, we need to change the command 81 to 80 and register address from 03 to 04. The value we can set as 36 hexadecimal. Then send. Now the display is showing page number 54.